Captain Albert's getting ready to go out with the Boy Scouts of America. He's going to be a relief captain this week, and here are a few of the boats. We're going to be boarding Wild Thing, and then the students and the scouts will be boarding around 3 o'clock, and they'll go at anchor at 7 tonight. We also have Captain Victor coming up shortly with the moon dance. Albert put a couple of things on the moon dance to get it ready. So here we are, getting ready for Boy Scouts this week for 5 days. Today, some of the scouts are snorkeling and learning how to jump in with their gear and with their life-saving vest on. You can see the little yellow life-saving vest. Earlier they were paddle boarding, some were kayaking around Sea Base, and this is where we're at right now. I'm on Wild Thing. I'm looking at moon dance, waiting for Captain Victor to get back. Far in the distance you can see somebody else prepping and getting some last minute repairs done. I've been with Albert all day, just going through the boats, doing a little cleaning, doing a little preparation, trying to show a little spirit for the Boy Scout Sea Camp here in Islamorada. This is Rhonda for KeyWestSailingAdventure.com aboard Wild Thing.